right, so this is our second dyno day on the twin cam. This is a Specialist Components BMW K Series twin cam 16 valve. You guys at Specialist Components, thank you. Your kit is a bit of candy. It really is. Ryan and I have really enjoyed this build. How much did you enjoy this build?
Oh, I love this build. This thing is so much fun.
Yeah, this is a cool car. So we took a 1979 Canadian Mini 1000 and we converted it to a Mark 1 looking. We did the Mark 1 taillights, a Morris grill. It's kind of a Frankenstein, but we wanted to create something unique for our friend John, and we did that. So this twin cam 16 valve, we know we made 99 horsepower, 99.9 at 6,800 at the other dyno.
Yes.
And we wanted to see what it did on our dyno today. So step me through what we did today, Ryan.
Well, we loaded it up, we safety checked it. We did a first run through, and we didn't see a very good number at all.
No, we didn't.
I think it was like 70 horsepower.
It was terrible.
And I was kind of scratching my head, and then you said, hey Ryan, look, the foam filters are on because John lives on a dirt road.
Yeah, I said, pull the filters off. So we pulled the filters off, and how much horsepower suck through those filters?
We literally gained 19 horsepower.
Through the air cleaners. Jeez. So we know we've got about 100 horse at 6,800 RPM. Today we rolled
89 something, yeah.
6,800. We need to turn the rev limiter up, but we're shipping it to John with the rev limiter set at 6,800. We don't want him hurting it. Well, it'll just keep it alive for a lot longer. But we know if we put it at 78, 8 grand, we probably 100 and some change.
The motor's got a lot more in it. The torque is flat, but the power is just like this right up until 6,800.
Yeah. It sounds wicked too.
So.
This thing's badass. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed another dyno day with the Specialist Components twin cam Mini.